All right, number 8 here. We are given two chords that intersect each other in a circle. What I gave you here is the property that you're supposed to know. Did you know that when two chords intersect each other in a circle, their individual segments, when multiplied together, will get you equaling to the other parts of the segment for the other chords multiplied together. So this allows us to set up this equation. So I'm going to notice this whole chord here is going to be the blue part, and this whole part is going to be the green part. Now I can set up my equation. 30 times 18, and that's going to be equal to x times 27. Okay, so I can now do my multiplication. 30 times 18, which is 540. That is equal to 27x. Divide by 27, divide by 27. I get 20 is equal to my x. There you go. Same thing for b here. I'm going to make this part blue and this part green. So the blue part, 16 times 2x minus 5. That's going to be equal to the green part of 14 times 11, x plus 11. This whole multiplication thing is really just like written like that if you ever see it. Okay, so you just have to distribute here. This becomes 32x minus 16 times 5 negative 80 is equal to 14x plus 154. Okay, minus 14x to both sides. We get 18x minus 80 is equal to 154. Add 80 to both sides. 154 plus 80. This gets you 234. 18x divide by 18, divide by 18. Okay, 234 divided by 18 gets you 13. So there you go. That is how you use the chord, intersecting chord, to solve for missing value.